Okay, hello YouTube. We're going to talk about traffic and advertising, particularly what I'm planning to do in 2023 to promote my LiveGood business. So everyone who's taken a position and locked in and got on board with me are going to benefit from this activity of what I'm about to do, and I am going to absolutely hammer this. Okay, as I mentioned on my Facebook post here. So I'm launching something huge in 2023, and we've got VIP positions available. This to get on board this week. Um, so position yourself, and this is really going to be exciting for a lot of people who are already in, and also for those who are getting in or taking action. Literally now on the link below, so you can get on board on the link below. Now, this traffic that I'm going to be talking about is the traffic that I've been using for a couple of months now. Okay, I've been using this traffic a couple of months, and this traffic alone I've also been promoting as well. So this traffic has been responsible for generating me signups into my various businesses. Okay, um, and when I say signups, I'm actually getting signups using this traffic, but I haven't even started using this traffic for LiveGood just yet. Okay, I've been getting my warm market in, getting my people positioned as close to me as possible within the matrix. Obviously, that's very, very important to get your key people with you in the matrix. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, switching on, quality traffic, and that's going to benefit the people who are already with me. Now, why is that going to benefit you? It's going to benefit you because we have a force matrix. We have a force matrix of 2 by 15. Okay, so there are limited positions, obviously, plenty of positions, but they're still limited because it is a force matrix, and there are only obviously 2 positions underneath every single member. And when they get filled up, and they're getting filled up quickly, obviously they're going to start filling up the next level, and excuse me, and so on. So basically, what's happening with LiveGood is that you get on board with a power line. Okay, which is a single straight line power line with all the activity going on. So I'm going to be hammering this and putting in a lot of activity. And then after the weekly cutoff point, okay, we got another cutoff point next week, and then it continues the week after, and so on. So this next week is going to be a big week for the power line. Okay, and then the cutoff point, those members on the power line that took action are going to be fed into the 2 by 15 matrix. Okay, so if you get on board now, you could benefit from that. So I'm going to be getting ready in 2023, right at the beginning. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of downtime for the new year, and I wish you all a happy new year. But as soon as the new year is over, it's full steam ahead, and I'm going to be getting some traffic. Now let me just share with you guys what this traffic has been doing with for me. Um, I've been sharing this traffic out, and I've had a lot of repeat orders and people who have continued to purchase this traffic because they're getting good results. So as you can see on my Warrior Plus account, I've been referring this traffic since well, actually I did one last August. However, that was just that one. But basically, I've been really hammering this traffic and referring this traffic since sort of mid-October of this year. Okay, and for about 2 months, okay, we've been I've earned pretty much almost $1,000. I did a search, system exclusive traffic. It's the wholesale premium traffic, system exclusive traffic. I'll send you the link below. You'll get onto the link below and you can purchase the traffic. It's really, really cheap stuff. I say cheap. I don't like to use that word because cheap usually means poor quality, but this is high quality traffic for as little as $48 for the unique clicks, or optionally you can go for the $58 for the tier 1. The difference is, okay, tier 1 is basically English speaking countries, USA, America, England, that kind of thing. Unique clicks, you're still going to get an incredibly good run with those. I go with those sometimes as well, either or. You still get obviously English speakers, okay, and I'm sure that'll be in most cases fine. So for 200 clicks on your link, and I've been getting signups. I've been getting a lot of opt-ins, And it's also, it's all in the follow up as well. So make sure you follow up with your leads, because you'll get a lot of leads through your link. This is good. This is a good price. So I've downloaded the my earnings here specifically for this traffic on my Excel. And as you can see down here, the sum is almost $1,000, not far off $1,000, $964 I've earned from this traffic alone in commissions, just by simply referring people to this traffic. Okay, getting people through my affiliate link, because a lot of people like this link, like this traffic as well. So as you can see, on the 29th, I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people purchase this traffic. On the 28th, I've had 3, 27th, I've had about 4, 26th, and even on Christmas Day, and then Christmas Eve, 23rd. Okay, nothing on the 22nd, 21st, 20th, 19th, 18th, 17th, 16th, 13th. Almost every single day, I've been getting people. This most of this, as you can see, is through December. This is right from here, from this point on. We're looking at December here. Okay, so so just this month, I've had so many people use this traffic. In November, I started using this traffic and recommending it on my YouTube channel. But a lot of people are using this traffic. And currently, I've got 479 commissions to play with. I can just purchase more traffic using the commissions I'm earning. I've got $380 in pending commission. Sorry, what am I talking about? Sorry, $380 current balance, which is that's the amount I can use right now in commissions if I want to, or I can use my credit card. It's not a problem. And then I got 479 in pending. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, after the new year, I'm going to let everyone's going to have a kind of downtime. But in the new year, people are going to get really excited for the new year, ready to really hammer something, get started with something, set their New Year's resolutions. And, I'm going to go ahead and purchase 100% tier one, $670 worth of traffic. And that's going to give me 2,500 clicks through my LiveGood link. I'm not going to send it directly to the LiveGood website. And please don't do that, guys. I repeat, don't send your cold traffic to the LiveGood website. Okay. If you read the terms and conditions at LiveGood, you will not be allowed to do that. And you can end up getting your account closed. So don't do that. I've got share codes that I can let you have. And you can set yourself up with a capture page. So put your link in front of put your own personal link in front of that. So it's better to do that anyway, because you'll be collecting your own leads. You want to be generating your own leads with cold traffic, because you'll continue to nurture them and work with them, and it's all in the follow up. Even when they go through into LiveGood, you still need to follow up with them. We've got a great contact manager in the back office of LiveGood. So, if you go into your back office of LiveGood, you'll be able to go to my referrals. These are my personal referrals. And as you can see, I've already got 95 and I've not even gotten started yet. Okay. I've literally not even started. I'm not going to browse down because there's sensitive information here, but I've got 95 referrals. About almost 50 of them are upgraded as members. So, my conversion rate from pre-enrollee up to member has been, over 50%. Okay. It's as simple as that. This is a really high converting business opportunity. We've got built-in funnels. Okay. And they're dynamic funnels, guys. The funnels that we're using were dynamic funnels created by the company. Ben Glinsky, he's been doing this for absolutely years and years, since about 2000. I don't know. I'm not even going to say when he's been doing it. 2013, 2010, could have been earlier. I joined Ben Glinsky in Skinny Body Care at the beginning when it first launched. I think it was about 2010 or 11 or something. And then I just quit. And then many years later, I joined again at 2016. And I went diamond in 3 months with Ben Glinsky's previous business opportunity, which was Skinny Body Care. And I went diamond in about 3 months. So, this is all thanks to this system that Ben Glinsky has put together. This system works, guys, and it's working with Ben Glinsky and his system is probably the greatest success I've ever had in this industry. So we've got great websites. These dynamic websites will get your people onto a free tour by simply opting in here, and then when they're on the free tour, they'll be positioned in the power line, and then they'll be sort of automatically maneuvered as they choose to upgrade. If they choose to upgrade, they'll be maneuvered into the matrix. Okay, so there's no guarantee that you're going to get paid on every single one of them. As I always mention in my videos, that just because you get paid members coming into the power line, they're only going to be added into the next available position underneath in your sponsors matrix. Okay, so remember, everybody has two positions on their front line. So you're gonna be down, one leg. Okay, and you could be down multiple levels. So that means that there's obviously going to be cross line going on, which means that there's no guarantee that you're going to get people positioned just because they're under you. And yes, they're going to get positioned under you in the matrix, but that doesn't necessarily mean that in your personal matrix. Okay, so the key thing is to get on board as quickly as possible, number one. Number two, you need to start getting your key people in as quickly as possible before you don't want to be waiting for spill off. Guys, understand, let me go to the compensation plan. You don't want to be waiting for spill off. The first thing you want to be doing before you get any spill off is to position yourself and your key people as high as possible and closest to you in your matrix. The reason why you want to do that is because you want to also get paid on those people. You want to get, because you're going to be eligible to earn a matching bonus. So if you're getting people in, not only you're going to be able to, let's say you get 2 people in, okay, that'll put you at the bronze level. That'll give you 50% as opposed to 25% on your personally enrolled, okay, within your matrix. Okay, so this is in addition to the matrix compensation plan here. So you're going to get 50%. But if you keep doing that and you duplicate that, you're going to quickly get yourself up to silver, and you're going to be able to start earning down the second generation. So the key thing is, you're going to be getting a matching bonus on the people. So you want to get them closest to you so that you can continue to earn down those multiple levels. If you're filling up spaces from spill off, and then eventually down several levels deep, you're going to eventually get people coming in, and you've decided, okay, well, maybe now it's time to start sponsoring people. Guys, that's great. That's fantastic. However, it's a little bit late to take action, simply because you're getting 15 levels deep, which is fantastic. That's amazing. Okay, well, in fact, in the matching bonus, you're going to be earning down 5 levels. So what you need to be doing is you need to be getting people into the matrix as high up as possible, so that you can be earning down your own people as much as deep as you can within your personal matrix, if you see what I mean. So that's essential. Anyway, so, bear that in mind. Get to work now. I'm going to be hammering this. And, last week I've been putting on a huge number of people into this matrix, so that, the team are going to benefit from this, and it is highly possible that you could actually earn up to over $2,000 per month without even enrolling a single person. But don't wait for the spill off. You could earn up to 16,000 plus, if you decide to bring in some people of your own, so that you can start earning on the matching bonus as well. So there's a lucrative compensation plan here, and Ben Glinsky is really willing to compensate the members for putting in the work and effort. Okay, so that's just to let you know that I'm putting together this traffic, and the members who get on board are going to benefit from that. This is not a traffic rotator. I'm not going to be sending people directly through your personal link. No, this is not a traffic rotator, but you benefit from this because of the power line that feeds into the matrix. How much you benefit from this there's no guarantees. Okay, but if you get a position now, you're more likely to benefit the greater amount. Okay, but no guarantees. Anyway, I look forward to working with you guys. Come on board and position yourself, so that not only do you get positioned in our team underneath my sponsor, who's Tim Miller himself, with me. And if you position in our team, you're going to get the greatest amount of success from what we've seen. All right, we've got a great team here. We've got a lot of excitement. We've got a lot of momentum, and now timing is everything in this industry, as many of you know. So get on board, guys. I look forward to working with you, and see you on the inside. Okay, bye for now.